Hello everyone, welcome to Jay's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple, refreshing virgin mojito. Come, let's see what are the ingredients and how to make this refreshing drink. To make the virgin mojito, here I have some mint leaves. I'm going to crush them in this. Just little bit, not too much. Just to get the flavors out. Add that in. For a glass, I am adding around 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Some lime zest. And the ice cubes. If you can crush the ice cubes, you can add as well. This is a peppermint essential oil which can be used in our food. If you have any kind of essential oil, peppermint, please make sure that it is edible. If you are not sure, please don't use it. Just crush 2 polo peppermint sweets and add in. So here I am adding just 1 drop of essential oil. Because it's so strong. And then here I am using 7-Up. You can use Sprite as well. Mix it a bit. And the drink is ready.